Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we're drawing the Pink Ranger from the Power Rangers. Now we're going to start along the top center of the page with that centerpiece of the helmet. So start at the very top right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here we're going to bend this line going out towards the left and then back in towards the center. So going out and then gradually bend that back in towards the middle. Let's go back up to the top and go in the opposite direction towards the right. Come around and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a little detail across the top. Starting on the left side, bend this in and then down, bend this up and then out. Let's add two little eyes along the side. Starting from the top left, bend this in and then down. Now I want to curve in the opposite direction, coming down and then in. Now from here, and draw the top of the visor. Let's start on the left, curve this up, round this out, and then come down along the side. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing, going up towards the same height, go around, and then down. Now going back to the left side, curve this around towards the bottom of the visor, just underneath that center point. Go all the way across, and then round this out. Let's add a glare across the visor. Starting from the top of this curve, we go out, come around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to close off the top of the helmet. On the left side, I'm going to step over. I'm going to go up, round this out, and come in. I'm just going to pull this in toward the top of that point. Go across towards the right, and then down just beside the visor. Let's add a trim across the top. I'm going to step up. We're going to follow that same curve, going up, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add a detail across the top. Starting from the left, curve this down, and then bend that out. Now I'm going to move back to the center and draw that opening across the mouth. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up, and then down. Go back to the left side, curve this down, and then up. Let's draw the mouth inside. We're going to start with a curve in the center. On the outside of the mouth, add a little bracket. And then just underneath the mouth in the center, draw a straight line across the lower lip. Let's close off the bottom half of the helmet. Starting back on the left, curve this down, and just underneath the mouth. And then we're going to bend that up towards the right side. Let's add a trim across the corner of the mouth. From here, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the collar. On the left side, we draw a circle coming down and then tuck that up underneath. Let's move over towards the side from the collar, curve the body going out and then down towards the hip on the left and the right side. And then we want to connect the hips with a curve coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw that same curve across the top of the belt. Now leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw one straight line, and one more on the right. Let's draw an oval in the center of the buckle. From the top, going out, across the bottom, and then back up. And to fill all four corners in black. We're going to add that pattern inside the body. Starting underneath the collar in the center, draw a straight angle line coming down toward the left hip, and then the right hip. From the center of the buckle, angle is up and then out toward the left, and then the right. Now let's go back to the hips. We draw the side of the skirt, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Now from here, I want to bend this down and then in towards the center point, go out and then up towards the right. Let's add a trim across the bottom. So just going to follow those two curves coming in towards the middle. From that center point, we're going to separate the legs with one straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot, curving this up, in, and then down, aiming towards the heel. Now, from the top of the foot, let's angle the leg going up and then in underneath the skirt. We want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet, so we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across from heel to toe, both sides. Now let's go to the top of the leg. We're going to add a seam, coming down and then in. Let's add that pattern across the boot. From the top left corner, come down and in on top of the feet, go up and then in toward the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to go in the opposite direction. Let's start from the top of the foot, going up towards the middle, angle it down, and then repeat that on the right side. Let's add a pouch over on the right hip. We go out, down, and then back in. And now we're going to draw in the arms. We want to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, bend this down and up around that bracket, step down, curve the second finger, and then the third finger, blend into the arm, go around, and then in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, second, and then the third, going all the way around, and then tuck that in. Now we want to go halfway along the inside of the arm, separate the glove, going up and then out with a curve. And then inside the gloves, we're going to add that pattern. We're going to connect these 2 points, coming down towards the middle, and then back up. Now I want to take that and flip it over, starting from the outside, going up and in towards the middle, and then down toward the top of the thumb. And now I'm going to finish this off by switching to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the inside of the visor. And once we're done filling that in, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Pink Ranger from the Power Rangers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you enjoy sketch illustration, then come visit our sketch club on School. You can get access to all our courses and lessons for free for 7 days. I'll leave the link down in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.